Hi, it's Librarian Lynda from Tyrrell County Public Library. Today I wanted to explain to you what we're going to be doing for the 2022 Chinese New Year. It starts today, February 1st, and it is the year of the tiger. So we're going to make a tiger corner bookmark. So you can come to the library and pick up a package. It would include the origami piece that you're going to need and all the supplies, which are 2 ears, a nose, we have cheeks, ferocious teeth, and what you will need from home is a marker or a pencil or a pen and a glue stick. Or you can use Elmer's glue, whatever you like. You will also get 2 googly eyes. All right, so let's get started. I want you to pick up your piece of origami paper and I want you to fold it in half, okay? Just a perfect little square. Try and keep your lines as lined up as possible. And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take one corner and we are going to fold it up to the point, okay? Then we're going to take that next corner and we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to fold it up to the point. So it's going to look like a square now, okay? But here's where your 2 pieces are folded. Then we're going to open it back up and we are going to fold this down to this little point in here. Again, try and keep your lines as crisp as possible. That's what it's going to look like. Okay? Then you're going to take this one piece and you are going to tuck it under and fold it. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to take this next piece and you're going to do the exact same thing. This one will take a little bit more maneuvering. Okay. So now you actually have your bookmark. See? See how we can slide it over your book? So let's get started decorating. So you're going to take your glue stick and you are going to, excuse me, you're going to run your glue stick across one part of the teeth, like so. And then you're going to take that and you're going to stick it there where his mouth is going to be. Then you're going to take your ear and you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to run it across the bottom. And you're going to stick that off to the side, like so. You're going to do the same exact thing with your next ear. Okay, so that's what we're looking like so far. Kind of funny looking, don't you think? Next, we are going to glue on his cheeks. Now, some of your packages have them already connected, and unfortunately, my cutting skills weren't the greatest. Some of you are going to have separate pieces. So you're going to have to maneuver how you want those. But for this video, I'm really going to go with the ones that are connected because it's way easier for me. So we're a little glue stick here. And we are going to stick his cheeks across the seam. So there's one on each side. Okay? Then we're going to take his nose. Whoops. That got away from me. And we are going to glue stick his nose in between the 2 cheeks. Look at that, how cute that is. Now, my glue stick isn't working so good today. You may want to use some Elmer's glue if the glue sticks are not working. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is googly eyes. Now, I did not bring any googly eyes to attach here, so I'm just going to draw eyes on myself, but in your packages, there are googly eyes. So now we're going to color them in with the ink marker. And I'm doing this upside down, so please have patience with me. We're going to do an eye here and another eye here. And then we're going to do the inside ear tufts. And we'll do this inside ear tuft. And then we're going to do a tiger's stripes, right? So let's put a couple stripes on his head, maybe off to the side some, give him some ferocious looking stripes. Let's see. Trying to make him symmetrical. Do you guys know what symmetrical is? That's when you have the exact same shape on either side. All right, now I need some whisker marks. So I'm going to do a dot, and a dot. And then a dot, and a dot. And if you really want to get crazy and have a red ink marker or crayon, you can make a little blood dripping down from his teeth like he got into something. So this is what our craft is. There are packages at the library. Just give us a call, stop in, and grab your bookmark package and a book about Chinese New Year. We also have a lot of historical fiction books and nonfiction books about the Lunar New Year, which is also Chinese New Year. And 2022 is the year of the tiger, so read some books about tigers. And come learn about who celebrates the Chinese New Year, what it actually is, what the mythological link is to it, and what are some of the things that you can do to celebrate. I can tell you that we're going out for Chinese food tonight. Yum! Well, thank you for joining us, the Tyrrell County Public Library and their craft for the Chinese Lunar New Year, and we hope to see you soon. Bye!